Okay, so actually we are meeting first time, so please say something about yourself, then I will say, and then we will discuss.
Yeah, sure. As you know, my name is Muskan. I am from Jammu and Kashmir. Regarding my qualification, I had done B.Ed, Masters in Urdu. Apart from these, I had done M.Ed. And these days, I am working on English language as well as I am just a housewife now. So that is all about me.
Okay, thank you for saying. Okay, so um, actually I am starting with my introduction.
Mm-hmm. Go
Okay,
ahead.
so my name is Varun, and I am from West Bengal. Now, actually, I'm a student. I'm studying college. This is my final year, and now I am working also on English language and also communication skills. And nowadays, I am practicing English because after my college, I will prepare for any government exam after my college. So that's why actually I'm learning this language, and I think, in my opinion, it will be helpful if I learn this language. So that's actually I'm working. Yeah, that's all about me.
That is lovely introduction.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So you are in final year.
Yeah, now I am in final year.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Okay, so you have done your graduation. So which stream you have done?
In arts,
Okay, in which subject you have done honors
that
or?
time I had four subjects in Urdu: education, psychology, and education. English, Urdu, education, and psychology.
Okay, great. Okay, actually, you have done your graduation, Urdu, psychology, English. My question is that why you are learning this language? What's the reason behind it?
Mm, Yeah, first of all, I want to join in school as a teacher. Second thing is I faced lots of problems while learning this language. I'm still facing lots of problems, and I don't want in future my children to face these problems. That is why I'm learning this language so that I can create English environment at my home.
Yeah, it's a very good thing.
Yes.
Okay, you have done a B.Ed.
Yeah, I had done B.Ed, Masters
Okay.
in Urdu, and M.Ed.
Oh, also you have done M.Ed.
Yeah.
Okay. So actually, yeah, you want to become a teacher or not?
Yes, yes. I want to become a
Okay. In
teacher.
which subject you want to teach in your future?
I had a master's in M.Ed. So if I get chance, any Urdu teacher, so definitely I am going to teach Urdu. But
Okay,
then
great.
I have done my M.Ed. So yeah, I am eligible to teach all subjects till 8th without science and math.
Okay. Okay, great. Okay, so I have some questions related English. You have done lots of courses actually. So, what's your opinion? If anyone wants to learn this language, then what kind of things we should focus and what kind of things we should not focus through this journey when we learn this language?
To learn this language, I think there is the most important thing is practice.
Yes.
So we should do practice on regular basis. Practice is very important. Without practice, we cannot anything. We cannot speak even a single word. No matter you have lots of knowledge about English, if you don't speak anything, so it is impossible to you can speak anything.
Okay, so actually practice is very important, but how to practice? What kind of things we should practice for English speaking?
It depends on person to person. Like if you want to take a new topic, so it is better. It is good for person. But
Okay, if anyone
some
wants,
people don't want to take topic. They want to like discuss general things.
Okay, and one thing I want to ask, what kind of grammar is important for English speaking? What's your opinion?
In my opinion, all grammar parts is very important. If you have grammar knowledge, so you can learn, you can speak English in a easy way. But if you have only tense knowledge, so you can also start speaking.
Okay, it means tense is very important.
Tense is very important. Hmm.
Okay, great. Okay, so now you live in your home or any other?
Yeah, I'm living in at my home, like in my father's family.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, so do you speak English with your family or not? Or which actually language you
Yeah,
use
I'm
with your family?
trying. I always I'm always trying to speak English with my family members, but they don't speak English. Whenever they have to speak, they have to ask me something, then they speak only mother tongue. But I always um, try to speak English
Okay, it's a very good thing.
because
Okay, so
whatever
how
you
many?
speak, it is a part of practice.
Yeah, yeah, right, right, right.
Hmm.
So how many language do you speak or do you know?
I know like Urdu these days, a little bit English, and my mother tongue Kashmiri and Hindi. I'm able
Okay,
to speak Hindi and understand Hindi, but not right.
okay. If you don't mind, please say some sentences in Kashmiri.
Okay. So what do you want to hear? Then I will.
Okay, like how are you? This sentence.
Mm, ठीक छुर,
Sorry, repeat.
ठीक छुर,
He chul.
ठीक छुआ. Hmm. Yeah.
Okay, it's a very difficult for me actually.
Yeah. Yeah. It is very difficult for you, but not for us. It is a piece of
Yeah,
cake for us. So you are in
yeah,
your lane.
yeah, yeah. Actually, I am from village, so that's why actually I'm in my land. You can say actually.
So
Yeah,
which
actually,
type
I
of trees are there behind you?
all are paddy.
Okay, trees. I'm talking about trees. Which type of
Okay,
trees are
trees.
there?
Okay, different types of trees, like mango trees. Different types of trees here actually. I don't know name actually.
You know how to eat only. You don't know about trees.
Yeah, yeah, many trees here. There are many trees, but I don't know actually name.
Okay.
Okay, so actually, I was asking about Urdu. Okay, so please say some sentences in Urdu, like how are you and what's your name, like that.
I think Urdu and Hindi are 80% similar by speaking, not by writing, but by speaking. If I say to you, how are you? So like, आप कैसे है?
आप कैसे है और आप कैसे हो.
या आप कैसे है? आप
Okay, आप
कैसे
कैसे
हो?
हो means Hindi. आप कैसे है it's a Urdu.
Urdu, yeah.
Okay, it's a very similar actually. I heard
Yeah,
about.
80% similar.
Okay.